Beat it. Hoy, lasing ka na ba?
Teka, hindi nakikita pa.
Ayan. Lasing. Ayan, lasinggerang si Aisel. Ayan, si Jana, si Beat it. Ayan pa isa, si Karen, lasingga.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Di pa.
Happy New Year!
Ayan, si Maray na antok na. Magdadrive ka pa, ha?
Oo nga eh.
Nahihikab ka na.
Maganda ba ako dyan?
Oo, maganda. Ipapost ko to sa YouTube.
Happy New Year to all the millions of people. Okay. Mahal ko.
Ayan. Dali!
Talaga naman. I love you.
Ipapost ko talaga to. Oh, mami, ikaw.
Oh, mami, ano na?
Wow.
Pare! I miss you, anak.
Ayan.
I love you.
Walang iiyak. Ayan. Oh, how about you, Daddy? What can you say? Come on.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Jen! Where are you?
Wala na si Jan.
Where's Jen? He's going to eat. What are you going to do? What do you want? You want some dessert? A dessert? What's that? The maha? The maha? One only, one only. Just only get one. Eat it first.
Kukuhain niya yung ano, yung countdown sa TV. Yeah, tasting.
Ako naman, Daddy.
Is it good?
What happened?
Ay, Happy New Year!
O, diba? Sexy ko. O, diba? Sabihin ng mga kamag-anak ko, walang mukha ko. Teka, nahihinga ako. Happy New Year!
If you want to try to put things back
The way they used to be.
Not yet, John, not yet.
there's no sense in going on.
No, we not yet. Sit down, you're gonna make a mess. Sit down.
So let's not bring the past up
Anymore.
Busy minute. Busy?
Go, 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 go.
Busy?
Go to Papa, you won.
Busy?
You won. Happy New Year. You won. You won. Happy New Year. Go to Papa. Say Happy New Year.